I forgot to record our intro. In this vlog, we went to Taylor Farm Park, which is located in Sandston. We did a couple more things, but thanks for watching and continue watching our vlog. Here they have some toys that make music. If you see, my daughter's about to play. They have the drums. They have, I think, a microphone, but that's out of service right now. And another area for music. All right, y'all, let's talk. So today I took off and took my daughter to go get a hearing evaluation for the school system, because apparently the hearing evaluation and the speech evaluation, they need to be done and coherent with each other. So she passed the hearing eval. Now we're just waiting on an appointment set up with the school system for her speech evaluation. She has a speech impediment. She does stutter a lot, but that's why we're getting her through the school system. So when she does go to school, they already know that she has a stuttering issue. It's not uncommon in my family. We do have a couple people that do stutter, so we kind of know how to work through it. But as you can tell, I changed clothes into my pajamas because we are home. We took a nap. They're still taking a nap. That's why I'm doing it right now. Having two kids, it's a lot. But yeah, so we took a nap. I'm up. I'm about to eat me my Dairy Queen because, yeah, I'm on my cycle, and I'm a sweet girl, okay? I love sweets at this point. I don't actually care if y'all care, but I do love me some sweets. So I'm gonna have me some Dairy Queen while they're sleeping, because it's like my only alone time that I actually have. So yeah. And yeah, so that's the end of today. Tomorrow's a normal day. I took off today, clearly, because she has an appointment. So tomorrow is a normal day. She goes to daycare, and she has t-ball practice, but I don't know if they're going to have t-ball because it's supposed to rain. So we'll see. And then there's no games this week, thank God. We've had games for 2 months, like Mondays or Wednesdays, or Wednesdays, or Wednesdays and Saturdays, or Tuesdays and Saturdays. It's been very hectic, and I'm so happy we have a week off from no games, no t-ball games. So yeah, so we'll see what the weekend is planned for us, and I'll bring y'all along. I know she's in the Memorial Day parade, so I will be vlogging that and letting everyone know, and looking at the whole process of getting her together for Memorial Day Parade, filming the Memorial Day Parade in Sandston, which is our small town next to Verona. It should be fun because it's my first time going to a Sandston Memorial Day Parade. So, yeah, we'll see. But this is only a couple days of my life vlog, so the vlog's not over, but today is over. And we'll see you tomorrow or in the next couple days. If you have a toddler learning their shapes, colors, the month of the year, weather, these are really good for them to learn during the summertime, the alphabet, days of the week, month of the year, weather. It comes with more. I'll show you in the next clip, but yeah, so I bought these off of Amazon. I've seen a lot of them on TikTok, on the TikTok shop, but I just found these on Amazon, the solar system, and my daughter has done really well with these. They have time, money, numbers 1 through 100, my body, colors, and how we feel for the day. We go over those every day. Yeah, she loves them. She points to them, tells me everything. We haven't really got to the money or time yet, but hopefully in the next year we will get through that. Also, new update, I forgot to tell you guys, I have a 6-month-old now. Like, it's unreal. Like, I had a baby 6 months ago. That's crazy to me. Like, real crazy. But now it's time to plan his first birthday, and we don't know what theme. I was thinking cowboy, space theme, cowboy theme, it's Cars theme, maybe. I don't know, we'll figure it out. But yeah, I have to start planning. I have to start getting a theme ready. I have to figure out where I'm getting my stuff from. I know where we're having it, or try to have it, but yeah, I'm excited. I have a 6-month-old, you guys. How exciting. But yeah, wow, time is really flying by, like really flying by. Oh my God. And I celebrated my daughter's 4th birthday. So I have a 4-year-old and a 6-month-old. That's crazy work to me. Real crazy. But all thanks to God, because I wouldn't have it another way. That's for sure. Would not have it another way. As you can tell, it's the evening, and got the text message that T-ball is not happening today because due to the rain that was happening, as you can see in the previous clips. Yeah, so all we have to do now is go pick up my daughter, and we might come back home. We might go to a library. We'll see. Might go to at home because I haven't been in forever, but I don't know. We'll see what the evening brings to us. Yeah, so if I don't record anymore, then thank you for watching.